Beautiful custom home located on the Starmount Country Club golf course has been pre-inspected and most repairs have been made. 20 ceiling and grand foyer with marble floors. Great room with soaring 20 ceiling, built-ins, recessed lights, and beautiful wainscoting. Elegant arched doorways. Heavy crown molding throughout. Primary bedroom can be up or down. 10 ceilings on first floor and 9 ceilings upstairs. All bedrooms have large walk-in closet and full bath attached. Third floor bonus room with built-ins and full bath. Fifth bedroom could be bonus room or office. Kitchen with solid surface counters and bright and airy breakfast room. Laundry room with sink and storage. Bosch washer and dryer included. 2 staircases. Plantation shutters. Second floor cedar closet. Tons of finished attic space for storage. Brick patio in rear overlooks the golf course. Minutes from friendly center shopping and restaurants.